All right, we're making shrimp scampi tonight. We've already peeled, deveined, and butterflied. We've got zucchini and squash zoodles, minced garlic, parsley. We're going to have some toasted, toast with garlic and butter, and we've got red pepper flakes. We've got our pepper and salt out, and we are in our butter and our olive oil. And so we're going to actually get the shrimp, garlic, salt, pepper, parsley, pepper flakes, and olive oil into a Ziploc bag and let it marinate, and then we'll fire up the black. We've got the shrimp in a freezer bag along with the parsley, salt, pepper, a little olive oil, and the juice of half of a lemon, and some red pepper flakes, salt, pepper. So we're going to let that marinate and get the Blackstone going. Ralph Man's Adventures. We've got this shrimp scampi about to go down. Well, we've got a severe thunderstorm warning in effect, so I have moved our Blackstone from where it normally sits underneath that light to underneath our covered deck, because we still got to cook. So Blackstone's fired up, about to go down with the squash and zucchini zoodles, and then we'll get to the shrimp. Susan had zoodled up squash and zucchini together, and we froze it. Always ends up with a bunch of water. I drained water off of it, but there's still water in it, so we're just going to throw this down, spread it around, and we're going to let this dry out and cook up. It won't take long. I've got the Blackstone down on low, but this will make a good side dish for our shrimp scampi. Actually, I was incorrect. We are not under a severe thunderstorm warning. We're under a tornado watch. So anyway, we're actually underneath the deck, or underneath the roof of this deck, and that way if it rains on us, we're still good. We'll get the cook done. Squash and zucchini is looking good. The zoodles are looking good. It's time to go down with the shrimp. This has been marinating in some oil, lemon juice, parsley, garlic, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. So we're just going to throw this down on the Blackstone. We want to separate this out. You can hear that sizzle. Want to make sure that all the shrimp is down on its side. We'll let it go for about a minute, and then we will flip these over. We're adding a couple of tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to mix that around, and then we'll flip the shrimp. Shrimp's looking good. Now we're going to flip the shrimp and make sure that it's cooked on the other side. We're about to add a little white wine to it and a little bit more butter. We want to make sure that we don't overcook these, because shrimp does not take long to cook, especially on the Blackstone. So we're going to get this going, add a little white wine to it, and we'll be ready to plate here in just a couple of minutes. We're going to add a little white wine and just let this simmer for a little bit. Oh, you can hear it sizzling. And then over here, I've got the burner off where the zoodles are. We're going to throw down some homemade bread with a little butter and garlic. Let that toast up for just a minute. I'm going to drizzle just a little bit of olive oil on top of that. And time to plate. Flipping the toast over. It's starting to brown up a little bit. Wow, that's a good looking plate. Got your shrimp scampi, your squash and zucchini zoodles, a little garlic bread, some lemon wedges, Susan's plate's the same. Now it's time to give it a try. Well, we blessed the food. Time to give it a try. Got a little zoodles, but I've got to get a piece of shrimp to go along with it. There's a good flavor to the shrimp. I should have pulled it off a little bit sooner though. But it tastes good. Let us know what you think, how you do it different. Be sure and hit the subscribe button. Give us a like. Make comments down below. And until next time, God bless.